Hi there, Roberto here with Top One Marketing again with another tutorial video. And in this video, we are going to talk about the Facebook lead ad that Facebook has to offer. It's been offering this for quite some time now. First of all, for some of you that don't know what a Facebook lead ad is, I'm going to show you in their video on their site. I'm on the Facebook Business Help site in the Facebook lead ads section where it explains the instant forms. So let me show you real quick. And so that's you browsing around. You see an ad for Jasper's Market. You say, register or sign up. And what Facebook does is it allows that person to almost instantaneously opt in to whatever it is that you have to offer. They don't have to, fill out anything. They don't have to make any typos or, spell their email wrong or anything like that, because Facebook already has that information because, that person is already logged into their account. And so it helps them with their audience retention, which, kind of prevents and avoids and prevents you from taking their audience away from their platform just so that you can get their email. They say, forget that, just get it right here on our platform, and they make it easy for you. Now, the thing is that Facebook, they collect the information and you have to actually somehow get that information. Now, they do have integrations with, mailing platforms and autoresponders like, MailChimp and stuff like that. But if you have something different that is not automatically integrated automatically through Facebook, then we can use a platform that's called Zapier or Zapier. And we're going to show you how to take a lead from Facebook and inject it into your favorite autoresponder. So without further ado, let's get right into this. So we're going to go into Zapier and we're going to go and create a Zap. Now, one thing I do want to make clear is that I am using a free account, and the Facebook lead ads Zap integration is a premium integration, meaning that it will let you create the Zap, but it won't let you turn it on until you have a paid plan, on their platform. So you're gonna have to have a paid plan in order to use any premium Zap. Okay. So now that that's clear, now we have chosen an app, Facebook Lead Ads, and it's gonna ask for an event. The only event that's available is a new lead. So we're gonna click that, and it's instant, by the way. And we're gonna click continue. Now what it's gonna do is it's going to ask you, if you haven't done so already. I already have, but if you haven't done so, Zapier is going to ask you to validate your Facebook accounts in order to give Zapier permission to do what you are asking it to do. Okay, and so I'm going to go ahead and click my account. Pick an account. You might have different, you might have many. Pick one. And now you're going to set up a trigger. Okay. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to choose the page. Okay. You're going to choose the account that you're going to use for this Zap. Right. So we're going to choose that. And then what it's going to do is it's going to ask you to pick a form, the form that you have created in your ads manager for this leads ad. All right. Or you can actually just, click a default, which is the default form, which is what I'm going to do. Now you click continue. Then what you're going to do is you're going to test the trigger, right? And it says a lead could not be found. And that's because I picked a default form, okay? I picked a default form, right? But what it's going to do is it's going to pull some dummy information from your Facebook lead ad into Zapier so that it can have a template, all right? So we're going to skip the test. And so click continue. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pick which autoresponder you want to use for this integration, whether it may be MailChimp or it can be GetResponse. In my case, I use Builderall's Mailing Boss autoresponder. And so I'm going to choose that. Then it's going to ask you for an event. What's going to happen with this information? Well, it's going to update one of my lists, okay? I click continue. It's going to ask me to validate my Mailing Boss account. I already have. So I'm just going to choose it. Click continue. And then what it's going to do is it's just going to ask me to insert some sort of dummy information, okay? You know what? Let's just put sorry. All right, sorry. Okay. Now, the only ones that is required is the email, okay? But you can fill in this other information here. If this is the information that you want to be transferred to your autoresponder. If you want this kind of information, their name, their last name, then fill this out as well so that that information can also be transferred to your autoresponder, okay? So it's going to ask you to pick a list. So I'll just pick a list. And then you click continue. Okay. And then we're going to test that. And so now I'll go to my autoresponder and I'll check that list right here, top 1 marketing courses. And I'll check if this email has been transferred into there. And if it has been transferred into there, it's been successful, then you just turn on the Zap. Again, you're going to need a premium account, a paid plan in order to use this premium app. And so that's it, y'all. That's all you have to do in order to get your lead from Facebook lead ads into your favorite autoresponder. So if this video was helpful, we would ask you to, give us a like, give us a thumbs up, give us a share, subscribe to our channel so that the next time we come out with another one of these tutorial videos, you will get notified. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.